too, son.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this part 2 of grouse hunting. I got the final part coming Saturday, so be ready. If you guys enjoyed this video, put a comment down below on what you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.
Oh, bam. Oh.
Well, I swear. Huh? Alright, William. Wood chop.
Doom. Doom. Oh, he would have died on that other shot.
Why didn't you die?
I don't know.
Why didn't you unalive it?
I should have. I am actually, yeah.
Careful. Easy. Easy.
There we go.
Alexander Hole number.
You gotta mark it. Where's he at?
Right up there above her.
It'll be alright. Battle wounds. They're pointed towards the side by side. Go ahead and break him. Grouse, grouse, grouse. You get him? Oh my gosh.
Running down through there. There he comes, but he didn't act like he's gonna be able to get off the ground when he comes through here.
It looked like a spruce. It was dark.
Hey, big boy.
Did you miss him?
No, we got him.
Okay.
Grouse herd grouse. Wasn't that what herd the
Daybird.
video?
Yeah. I was looking for it to be a woodcock, so I wasn't looking too hard. And there it was. What is it? There we go. Oh! Oh!
Boxy and we got there, and every boxy being even worse.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, right here.
Phew, son. Garmin 550 Pro. We got a dog pointed.
Whatever you want to do.
He's 81 feet that way.
Yards.
It's in feet though. Yeah. We got a dog. Okay. Huh?
I couldn't even swing the gun.
Did you shoot over my head?
No, I shot over here.
Oh. There you go, Garmin 550 Pro action. I'm gonna go on in here. Woodcock.
I thought you was gonna kill it.
I didn't have the heart.
Shows another.
I just can't bring myself to doing it. I got the green line, that's all that matters. Two. Get ready. Look. I hate those. Bow. Yep. Now that's a beaver. Well, one more.
you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like the way it looks, let me know in the comments below. It helps a lot. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys Saturday.